at Industrial Arts Institute, our mission statement is to inspire a noble workforce. And a big part of that is keeping up with relevant technology in our field to give our students the most opportunity to get good jobs and have a good career pathway. Wade here educating us on laser technology and safety of lasers is a great way for us to develop those skills.
This is a totally different process. There are different safety concerns. Much more prevalent in the workforce. Every year, more and more companies are adopting it. They see the value in whether it's time savings for reducing distortion, reducing all the other non-value added time like grinding. And not everybody is really educating their end users and their distribution partners like Miller is. So going to these students and letting them know what to be on the lookout for and how to operate safely around this equipment was my big drive for coming here and talking to them.
Today we had the opportunity to learn about laser welding, and I'm going to hand it over to Nate to tell us about how it was valuable to you.
I think it was really cool to learn about. Valuable, I see like the tacking stuff together without an edge, just straight through 2-3 pieces of metal. I think that is really cool and could replace a lot of time-consuming like parts of the job in the industry.
It's not a silver bullet. It's not going to replace all welding processes, but what it does do, it does very, very well.